Hey guys, it's Mary, and I've got another Diamond Press auto ship to share with you. And this one is the Never Ending card. And this one says Sending Sunshine. So let's open it up. So the Never Ending, the original one, this is the first auto ship of it. And it makes one of those cards that flip left, right, top, bottom, left, right, top, bottom. Really cute. I've made them before. And they're just very cute. And everybody loves them because they love just flipping and going, figuring out how it works, and you know. So see if I can get this open. Slowly. All right, here we go. Here we go. So this one is called Sending Sunshine. And the interesting thing is that even though there's a whole bunch of auto ships, it looks like each auto ship is going to come with the regular device. Instead of like when they did, Diamond Press did the wheel, and the flower that opened up the eye. You got the mechanism in the first shipment, and then everything else just built off of that one. They didn't repeat, but this one, this is the mechanism for it. So it looks like each one is going to have a mechanism, which I find kind of strange, since they could have saved money. But what do I know? So it comes with a mechanism, and it comes with a cutting pad, folder. So it's going to work exactly like the first one. And it tells you to stamp and cut. If I can get it open. Oh, there we go. Start with 4 1/4 by 4 1/4. And then it shows you how to do each of your panels. And then you cut the panel with this device, cutting die, and then putting it back together. Tips and tricks. And then how to glue it so that it goes left, right, back and forth, and flips. So once you do a couple of them, it goes pretty easy, because you know where you're supposed to glue and how you're supposed to glue it. So, and this one, this Sending Sunshine, comes with some really cute stamps. So it has flamingo, hibiscus leaves, sunshine. Look at the little faces on the suns. How cute is that? Sending you sunshine. Aloha, friend. I'm tickled pink to know you. You brighten my day. And then here's a card that they show. So it starts out, I'm tickled pink to know you. And then you go left and right and fold back, and it says Sending Sunshine. And then you take that and go top and bottom, fold, and then this one appears. Then you take the that one left and right, and it says you brighten my day. And then you go top and bottom, and you get back to the tickled pink. And so that's how it's a never ending. So let's take a look at the stamp sets. Nice big sun, flowers, leaves. There's the flamingo, friend pink. And then you brighten my day, sending you sunshine. I'm tickled to know you, aloha. And then it's got some little tiny, those are eyes for the sun, a little branch, and then the little inside of the hibiscus, you know, the little thing that sticks out. So, and there's another little, and another one. So it's got 3 different little faces. So cute. So that's that. So I realized, like I said, this is the first of the auto ships. But I went back and I thought about it, and I realized, and I don't know that you're going to be able to see these very well, but I think there are 6. This one, the next one is going to be Halloween. And then Christmas. And then this one is bees, which, if you don't know, I'm not a fan of. And then this one is just friends, flowers. And then this one is flowers and hello and sympathy. So I realized that all the diamond press items that I have, you know, I have the original when the marquee came out that was seasons. So I have all of these. They may not be exactly alike, but I've got the Halloween, I've got flowers, I've got Christmas, not only in diamond press, but in, you know, other companies. So now that I've got 2 of the cutting mechanisms and the instructions, I think I'm just going to go ahead and cancel the auto ships for all of these. And then you just use, if I want to do a Halloween one, I'll just pull out my Halloween stuff from those other sets, diamond press sets that I bought. Because I certainly don't need to end up with 6 cutting mechanisms and similar Halloween and Christmas stamps, so, and dies. So I think that's what I'm going to end up doing. So let me know if you picked up the Never Ending Card auto ship, and what you think. Let me know if you've made one. Like I said, I've made one before, but not from diamond press, so I am anxious to try their die and see how good it is. So I've hardly ever been disappointed with diamond press, so I'm sure, you know, it'll be excellent. So all right, so that's it. Never Ending Card auto ship, sending sunshine, first auto ship. So so that's it. So let me know in the comments if you got the auto ship and what you think about it, if you've tried it. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, you can hit that subscribe button, and then you can hit the bell, and it will notify you when there is a new video to be watched. So I appreciate, as always, any time that you spend on my channel. So it means a lot to me. All right, so that's it for this one. Let me know what you think. And until next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.